Welcome to Rhonda here with Foods 101. Today I'm showing you how to make this tasty tuna macaroni salad. Perfect with grilled chicken, pork chops, hamburgers, hot dogs, you name it. It's the to-go-to salad for this summer. The ingredients you're going to need for this is 1 cup of thinly sliced fresh celery, 1 4-ounce can of your tuna. I just buy it in like this, and I love using the albacore tuna. 1.5 cups of your dried elbow macaroni pasta, 1/4 of a cup of chopped green bell pepper, 3/4 of a cup of mayonnaise. If you want to use the white mayonnaise, you may. If you want to use Miracle Whip, you may do that too. 1/4 cup of sliced green onions. They look like this. Some of you may know them in the world as spring onions. 2 tablespoons of diced pimientos. They just come in a jar like this. And 1/4 of a teaspoon of freshly cracked pepper. Let's go ahead and cook the pasta. My water's boiling. I'm adding about 1/2 teaspoon of salt because you want to season your pasta. Add your pasta. Give it a lovely little stirring. Wait for it to come back to the boil and let it cook for 8 minutes. That's what it says on the back of my elbow macaroni pasta box. We just have some simple steps of getting this tuna macaroni salad together. We're going to use the mayonnaise here in the bottom of a large mixing bowl, along with the pepper. Give it a lovely little whisking until your pepper is well blended with your mayo. Drain your pasta very well. Add a few ice cubes to the top. Give it a lovely stirring. This will cool down your macaroni. Stir it around till you see no more steam. That cooked pasta, that cooled cooked pasta, goes into our mayonnaise and black pepper, and we're gonna just give this a lovely tossing. And if you don't want to use the ice cubes to cool down your elbow macaroni pasta, you can go ahead and run your pasta under really nice, cool tap running water. Here comes the fun part. Add the tuna, those green onions, the bell peppers. Oh my gosh, it's smelling so delicious and fresh. Those celery slices and the pimientos. Give it a lovely tossing until everything is well blended. And if you want to use 2 tools at the same time, you can just do this as well. Oh my gosh, if you could smell how delicious this is. Now, I'm not adding salt to this just because we salted the water before adding our pasta. But if you would like to add a little salt to it, you be my guest. But as this sits, it's going to accumulate all those lovely fresh flavors. Store this in the refrigerator overnight and it's excellent the next day. Or you can also indulge in this fabulous, tasty tuna macaroni salad the day you make it. Just want to chill it for about an hour before serving. I'm adding this fabulous tuna macaroni salad into my serving dish before chilling or serving. I like to add a few little chopped spring onions here to the top. Not necessary. I think it gives it a perfect finished touch. I've got to give this a try. Even though it's going to be better if it sits an hour or two. Here goes. Oh, wow. The flavor from the mayo. Those noodles are perfectly cooked. The tuna came through very quickly. The green onions, those green bell peppers. Let me tell you, you are not going to go wrong with this summertime salad. Fast and easy to make. Smells delicious and fresh. I'm going to cover it. I've got grilled chicken that I'm going to be serving it with this evening. Hope you give this a try. Thanks a million for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. And I'll catch you lovely people later.